Discover.
Okay, is everything ready? Is everything ready there? Is everything ready? Is everything ready? Okay, well, thank you for joining us once more. This is the DBS TV News. No, I'm going to be doing this really fast because by now you should know that the long-awaited Long Walk to Freedom concert featuring the one and only Gargamel Buju Banton was actually held moments ago, and it got an amazing turnout. So let me just run through very quickly the highlights. So okay, we have Wayne Marshall that was actually up first, and he did his thing doing his popular gospel song that is called Lord I Pray I Will Honor Your Name. Yes, that song. And then up next we have the man by the name of Marcus Mao. No, it was actually Jahil Mari who performed for the audience. So now let's move up to the next performer. That was actually Deli Ranks. Now Deli Ranks looks as if he is not aging. He seems to be a vampire of some sort. And moving right along, we had Ghost. Now, how do I describe this performer? It is basically if Tanto Blacks and Fantasia had a child and that child was a performer, yes, it would be Ghost. Then we had the group, our own Jamaican Boys to Men by the name of Lost. How do they do that song again? The one with the nasally voice. Say what? Anyway, let's keep it moving. And hi, DJ Khalid that was actually in the building. And by the way, let's say hi to Miss Lisa Hannah and her son that was actually in the audience as well. And speaking of that, Miss Hannah, let's give a little shout out to Miss Kitty that was in the audience, decked out in her Long Walk to Freedom cape, looking like a fluffy Miss Superwoman. Let's get back to the meat of the matter, because after that was the strong one, Etana, Miss Clapback, who trumped her haters. And moving right along, we had Christopher Martin with a shirt that was actually inspired by the iconic Jamaican dust ruffle. Now, and then moments after that, he was joined by his Rising Stars twin, oh my God, Romain Virgo. And Agent Sasko did his usual spectacular performance. Talking about a slim girl, making a party. And if you listen at this moment, just kind of, open your ears. You can hear his wife, Nicole. I just have to say, I just love my husband. He's just an amazing performer. When he gets up on that stage, he's just out of this world, winning. Then Chronix made the entire Jamaican audience smile. Then the time came for Buju Banton, the Gargamel, decked out in a full white jacket suit, making his way to the stage and asking the audience for mercy. And from this next video clip, it is clear that Buju Banton is definitely getting laid plenty since he's been out of prison. Okay, and then Stefflon Don joined the stage and she was seen doing a little bit of what I would call a struggle twerk.
Pretty face on me eye there. No, they bunny so put me right. Pretty position on the back of me do. Never get along with it.
Then Marcia Griffiths joined the stage looking like Mary after giving birth to Jesus Christ. No, I must say Marcia Griffiths is a beautiful woman. Beautiful. And then you had the ultimate reggae crooner by the name of Beres Hammond joining the stage with the Gargamel, and yes, it gave hashtag friends gold. No, I think I did that wrong. That should have been hashtag friendship goals. I stand corrected. Well, that is it, people, for my review of Buju Banton's A Long Walk to Freedom. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments if you actually attended the show. Take care. I don't know why they have to get me to do this show. You know, look at the hours of the morning I have to be in studio. You couldn't get Archibald, huh? You couldn't have gotten Curling Brown. Look how many other people you have to call me here every single day. Wait, we're still actually live? You could have said most of the camera on it. You want me to lose the work. I don't work, you want me to lose, don't you? You know, bad man up at this place, you see, man? Because we get the promotion before you. Wait, me still live? No, I'm fed up. Box cover!